So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can speed up the video on Premiere Pro without the chipmunk voice effect, like the high pitch voice effect that appear when you speed up the videos. Now in order to do it, just simply, let's say for example, if I go on speed and duration right there, and here let's say if I speed up to 200%. Now once I do it, I just simply need to go to the speed and duration tab, and here make sure that you check it mark, that is maintain audio pitch. Now once you do it and hit OK, you'll notice that the audio will remain same, and the video will optimize itself with the higher speed, but the audio will not affect with the speed. So you can use this method to keep the original voice with the faster videos. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.